Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about when is the best time to post on Facebook. Every social media platform has an ideal time and I'm going to hit each one of them. Sprout Social did a great study that I'm pulling from, but I want to share with you today on Facebook. And the coolest thing is the best time to post on Facebook is Wednesdays. I have some specific notes, so I'm going to cheat a little bit and look at here. But Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. You don't ever want to post on Sundays. Who knew? I would guess Sunday would have been a good Facebook day, but it's not. The safest time to post is Monday through Friday from 9 to 3. Before 7 a.m. and after 5 p.m. is not a good time to post. So that midweek is, I guess, when people are, not as crazy at work coming in on Monday and not rushing to get out on Friday. So Wednesday's the best day. And I'll give you just for a couple overview types of industries. Consumer goods, the best time to post is Wednesdays at 1 and Friday at 11. Nonprofits, Wednesday mornings from 8 to 9 a.m. And if you are a tech-based company, Wednesday at 10. So just a great little tidbit, great PR tip. Social media, of course, is part of media, part of the whole package. Hopefully you like this tip. Look for the other platforms as well. They'll be posted. But if you like this tip, if you want to get more visibility for your business, please join our PR challenge. It's YourPRchallenge.com. It's about 10 minutes a day for 10 days. And following that every single day, you will get massive visibility for your business. You will position yourself as an expert in your industry, and you will stand out with the media when you send that pitch in. So I can't wait to see you in the challenge, and I can't wait to see you in the media.